Hi guys, welcome back to Decadency. My name is Taho. For those of you who are new to watching my channel, thank you so much for pulling through. Hope you've subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. It's for free. Aibo, subscribe. I'm still waiting for you to click on that button. Don't forget the like button as well. I see you liking my other videos but not subscribing. I see you. Click on that button. Thank you very much. So I decided to make something hearty. Gonna make samp and beef stew. The plan was to make oxtail, but I have to throw this out the window because oxtail takes 10 hours to cook. It doesn't take 10, it takes 4, not 3. Roughly 4, but I don't have that time. Like, time is not with us, so I decided to get a cut of meat that cooks way quicker. Still gonna use the concept of that oxtail, flavors in the pot, just with a cut that cooks way quicker. Yeah. In front of us we have beef poitjie cuts. This is about 900 grams. A ginger paste, cinnamon, tasty beef soup thickener. This is about 700 grams of samp mixed with beans. Soaked it in there for about an hour. Half an onion chopped up roughly. Black pepper, Himalayan salt, honey. Ginger, garlic flakes. Why do I always confuse ginger and garlic? Garlic flakes, some rosemary, steak and chopped spice. 2 potatoes, chopped up roughly. I didn't peel them. I need that fiber, honey. 2 carrots. Is it 2 or 3? 3 carrots. Just chop them up roughly. Don't do them too thin because then they'll be all mushy in your stew. And we don't want that. Then we have sweet corn. I cut it into cute little discs because I'm also going to put it up in there. Let us get cooking. I'm going to start with the samp. Going to put it in the pot and make the things that makes the pots to be done. Oh, just gonna throw it up all in there. Fill this up, then fill it up with water, then pour it up in there as well. The meat, I'm gonna use this burner because it's nice and big, ready for the pot. Turn that on. Put it on high. Let's let it heat up. While my pot is getting ready, I'm gonna grab some oil just to zaza in the so that I can the meat. So, what I am trying to do is brown the meat. Heston Blumenthal says browning meat is pointless, but we still do it. And I love Heston Blumenthal. Like, he is the best. The best. Anyway, so I'm still gonna brown my meat. I'm now going to add all the other stuff except the veggies. I'm gonna add all the seasoning in there so that it can get into the meat. The flavor too. Yes, sauce, man. What am I adding again? Onions. I'm gonna add all my onions. Season it once again. Some black pepper. Guys, like, me and my ancestors, we have a very great relationship. I season and I listen to them. Mabati, vele, I stop. So I hope you all have that great relationship with your ancestors. For babuelelo na man. Let's ka pa ya nama ileng gore tla be tletse letswai. Ow! Tla re tshwarisa hi. Direct translation. I hope you have a good relationship with your ancestors, so that you don't give us high blood. Yeah, I just shortened it, but anyway. Some cinnamon, we're not gonna add much, maybe like a teaspoon. Yep. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of the ginger. Ooh. 1, 2. Let me just stir it up so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Then I'm gonna continue adding all the other seasoning. Some garlic flakes. We'll add, let's say, okay, let me actually measure this out. You know, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, pelile. Finished. 4. If you have the crushed garlic, you can put in about 2 teaspoons. It's nice and fresh. If you have the whole garlic, you can add about 1, 2, 3, 4 of the cloves. Not the whole bulb. I'm gonna add some rosemary. So, just gonna pour some in my hand. The reason I'm doing this, I wanna like crush it a little so that I can awake the oils. Why does English like doing this to me though? Like, I just don't understand what's going on. I'm gonna crush this so that I can, you know, get us. Cool. I'm gonna add some more. So this is going to be about 20 milliliters. That's like a tablespoon and a teaspoon of rosemary. If you have the fresh one, you can use like maybe 2-3 twigs. Yeah. Then I'm gonna add my steak and chop spice. Gonna stir this up again. Gonna leave it to brown for another 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna add water. You know, cupcake closed the country, so if the country was open, I would be buying wine to pour in there. You know, that would actually give it that vavavoom. But even if I bought that wine now during lockdown, I will not cook with it because we are saving it to pay it with the meal. So I'm gonna add about 1 liter of water up in there after that 5 minutes, and then let it cook for like 30 minutes until it is nice and mushy. Probably gonna cook it longer because I need it to just break when you eat it. I just thought of something. We have cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. Hey, hey, hey. I'm in love with the... Cool. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cocoa into the meat. You know, just play around with your flavors, guys. You know, my kitchen, my rules. 1, 2. It's giving it that color, man. In brown and nice. Woo! My gosh, this looks ready to be eaten. That time it's so raw. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm now gonna add my liter of water. I'm gonna close my pot, let that cook for like 45 minutes. Let's push it to 45 minutes and then we'll see if it's gonna be breaking down. If not, I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. The minute it gets to this this tenderness, where it starts low-key breaking, then we're gonna add our veggies. And then, you know, that'll give it like another 20 minutes to cook because I want the veggies to be also nice, and you must be able to taste, you must be able to get the texture, you know. It's not like I don't want it to be like purity, you know, all mushy. Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. I'm now going to add the veggies. These are now gonna go in there. If I owe you a meal, honey, forget it. You're not getting me. You are not getting that meal. Buy the ingredients, drop them by the door. I still won't make it for you. Don't want to add too much. Next thing, it is vegetables with meat. When I want it to be meat with vegetables, like the meat must dominate. Just mix it up. Let's add some sweet corn. The sweet corn, we can add all of it. Can you see it? It's like coming off the bone, so it's definitely ready. 15 more minutes. Then we're gonna add our thickener and plate. I am now gonna mix in my soup thickener. I poured half of this sachet in here with some water. I don't want it to be too liquidy because I need that to thicken nice. I'm gonna pour this in there. Just gonna mix that up. Like the cocoa gives it that tinge of darkness. Can you see how cute this is? It's not pale, it's beautiful. It's getting nice and thick. So I'm literally just gonna wait for this to like thicken. It won't take it long because I also need the flour to cook. Maybe like 2 minutes and then I'm gonna plate. These pots are the best, guys. Oh my gosh. You have to invest in one. You know. I don't have it, Marikai Chanela. You know what? I am going to. Yes. Better recognize. Cast iron pots are the best. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click on that notification button, comment down below. You know, you could throw in a suggestion. You should have plated it like this. Don't do that. No, actually, it's okay. You can do it, guys. Oh my God. I'm open to criticism. Thank you so much for tuning in. Till the next video.